is Christmas morning. I'm not sure when you will see this, but we are headed to Parker to enjoy a buffet at the casino with our friends. There is Frugal RV Gal and Samantha Josephine, and Bandit has his little Christmas scarf on. He's not real happy about it, but we are very excited to go see our friends, and we hope that you are having a lovely holiday season.
Find her ear. There it is.
There, now Jamie got a hat on. She says it's green. I'm kind of Christmassy. Yeah, sweet baby girl.
Hey, we're here at Blue Water Casino. There's some friends of ours right there.
There's Travels with Dottie, Cheryl Pup Camper 58, and Judy Val, because her husband bought a Val. Did you get a Gumby for Christmas? Oh gosh. He got something else too, Mama Jana. What did he get? Oh gosh. He says, oh, I love my Gumby. Yeah, she's getting the tags off so he can play with Gumby. And next we'll do Sammy. Oh, good boy. You love your Gumby. That's so cute. You love your Gumby. Okay, came in with Gumby. Is that a flying squirrel or a platypus or a duck? What is that? What is that? Oh, goodness.
Ready, Sammy? Go.
Oh, did you? What is that? Did you get a crocodile? Oh, my gosh. She coming back in, Mama. Chicken. Rooster. Rooster.
Ready, Sam?
Sam.
Go. Ready? Sammy.
She says, why are my toys outside? Why are my toys outside? Whee!